wood. It is absolutely pissing rain outside. So unfortunately I can't go fishing. Plus I'm still in my nammies. But because it's raining, I figured I'd treat all y'all guys today. Ooh. Dun, 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 dun. Skyrim! Tried working on my other Xbox to get Oblivion going, but that didn't turn out as planned. So I figured I'd do a little video for my gaming today. Oh. Yes. Whoop, whoop. Oh, we got another. Okay, close. Fuck this shit. And straight dead. Oh, hello. Oh, sure, why not? And that's how that's done. Woohoo! Glad you guys could see that little one. Yeah, it's like one of my favorite games ever, to be honest. Like, I'm absolutely enthralled with Skyrim. But I've been playing the Elder Scrolls series for years, and my absolute favorite out of the Elder Scrolls series, hands down, has to be Morrowind. I absolutely love Morrowind. But, yeah. Like I said, it's raining out, so I figured I might as well put some kind of video up, and why not for Skyrim? Because Skyrim is absolutely awesome. And I'm in love with it. And I'm not even doing the storyline right now, I'm just kind of doing my own little thing. Yeah, once I deal with getting all the random little side quests and stuff done, that's when I'm doing the main quest. Or the main storyline. As God knows, I've been playing this for years, so I kind of just stick to doing it my own way. Plus, I find sometimes it's funner that way. And plus, at the same time, it allows me to make an awesome video. 'Cause Skyrim is awesome! For all the Skyrim players out there, leave a comment in the comment section and let me know how you start off your game and how you like to do things. I'd love to get everyone's input on how they play Skyrim and how they do it, because I think that'd just be cool. Because everyone's got their own way of doing it, right? Not everyone does things the same way. And some people like to follow the storyline first and then do all the side quests and little running arounds and stuff.
Huh?
So, I figured it'd be a good chance to see what everyone likes and thinks about Skyrim. So let me know what your favorite quest is, how you like to do the game, how you like to play. And I will totally answer.
Alright, Snowback. Who are you and what are you doing in my tower? Fiola. How do you know that name? Krister? He's here? The fool's my husband. I'm Fiola. Or I was, once. Don't you see?
Drama.
I left that old scab. Came home to Skyrim and found this rabble of bandits. Didn't take much to prove myself and knock them into shape. Now every free blade from here to Windhelm wants to sign on for a peace. And it won't end here. I died before I went back. I don't know. I never expected the old bag to follow me, so... But don't kill him. I don't hate the man. I just want him to go back to his farm and forget about me. Take my wedding band. Stoon only knows why I kept it this long. He'll recognize it. Tell him whatever you think will convince. The ring itself is worth a few bits. Keep it as thanks for cutting off the last vestige of an unwanted fate.
And you're still gonna die. Dun dun dun! That's how we end drama. Sweet. She had a decent amount of gold on her. Don't you just love Skyrim? Skyrim makes me so happy. Well, not as happy as my boyfriend, but it is still a good game. It is still a very good game. It's a good de-stressor, I find, to be honest. Especially on a rainy day like today. Right now, this is Missville Keep that I'm in. That's in the Rift area, I believe. Well, it's close to the Rift anyways. It's pretty near Boneclaw, which is one of the dragon spots. Now, time to go tell this guy I killed his wife. But yeah, like I said, Definitely let me know what your thoughts are on Skyrim, how you like to play it, how you like to start it, what kind of characters you like to make, that kind of stuff. Because I'd love to hear about it. This time around, I started with getting all the Daedric artifacts. I think I'm only missing a couple, like from the shield from Pyrite and shit like that. I never get the ring from that one bitch though, like Mrs. Cannibal fucking I eat human fucking Daedric fucking person. Oh, well, those guys should be in here. And this is where I found them. Where'd you go, buddy? Oh, there you are.
What news? Why isn't Fiona with you? Her marriage band. Then there's hope. I have to move on if I want to find her. Please, take the coin I promised. Blessings of Stendar on you.
Well, that one's never getting complete because I killed her. Oh well. Bum bum bum. Bum bum bum. Alrighty. Looks like there's a mine up ahead, so I'm gonna go there. See what treasures await me. Ooh, there's a cave too.
Hi. Saunders takes care of me when Mom's not around.
So it's an owned mine, so fuck it.